Well, I hope everybody's fine. I hope everybody's well. And I miss you guys a lot. And the good thing about it is that we're having a sunny day. We've been having these sunny days this week and next week. So enjoy. All right. Summer's here. You can tell. All right. Today we have English tutorial. Okay. And we're going to be working with ing. Remember the verb plus ing and like. Okay. Like plus ing. Okay. I like playing. I like learning. We're going to go through all that and you're going to love it. We did this in class times. We got ready with this stuff for the Cambridge mock exam. Remember? Okay. We did the three stages, the three forms. Okay. How to manage with the verb, how to transform the verb, but we're going to concentrate on just like and plus ing. All right. Now I did this PowerPoint so you can look at it. Okay. I think it's great, and I'll show you later. Oops, sorry. I'll show you later the worksheet that I'm going to send you. Okay. Very simple worksheet. Okay. Well, we're going to start here with like plus ing. Okay. Remember, we are supporting Jorge Jambrina's class. Okay. In English curricular. All right. So let's go for it. I like play, learn, dance, sing. And we're going to add up the ing. I like playing, I like learning, I like dancing, and I like singing. Very simple, isn't it? Okay. All right. Examples of verbs plus ing. Okay, the infinitive with to dance, to ride, to ski, to run, to swim. And then we transform into ing. Okay. Remember, if it ends in e, we erase the e and we just put ing. Dancing, ride, riding, skiing, skiing. Okay. Why? Because I said those i's, I say double. Okay. Skiing, run, running. Okay. The same thing. I'm pronouncing both ends. Okay. Running, swim, swimming. Same thing. Okay. So I think we went through all this already, so you should know about it. But these are samples, okay? And I think these are the hard ones, okay? If you get this along, you get the rest of it because the rest of it you don't have to do nothing, okay? Only if it has two vowels. I'm sorry, two consonants and a vowel, okay? For instance, ski, run, swimming, okay? It's an exception, all right? But remember that we pronounce the the consonant. Okay, swim, ming. You see, I'm pronouncing both m's, so you have to write it down. It's very simple. Okay. Okay. Now look. Now you can use a noun, a pronoun, or a verb with ing. Okay. For example, okay, I love coffee. Remember, I love is because I like it a lot. Two. Okay, one, two. Okay, thumbs up is because I love or I like coffee. Only one. I like. It's like that. I dislike. It's like, oof, I don't like it that much. And let me take this off from here. Here and hate. I hate. Please don't give me coffee. I hate coffee. Two thumbs down. One and two. Okay. Okay. Well, here we're using the pronoun with him. I love him. And here with the verb. Okay. These are, okay, this is for you to understand, okay, the way we use I love with verbs, okay? I love him, I like him, I dislike him, or I hate him, okay? This is with a pronoun, okay, or she. I love her, I like her, I dislike her, and I hate her, okay? I hope you don't hate nobody, all right? I'd rather if you like or love, that's the best way, okay? But these are examples. And now with the verb, okay, we're going to use the to fly. All right, fly. You know, fly like the verbs. You know, the birds flying. All right. So I love. In this case, I love flying. Okay, I love to fly. Okay, I like flying. I love to fly. I dislike flying. Okay, and I hate flying. I dislike to fly. I hate to fly. Okay, but we use the flying ing. I don't want to get you messed up. Okay, concentrate on the ing. Okay, this is just as a way for you to understand. Okay, why we use the ing. Okay, all right. Okay, now look here. It says love, like, don't mind, don't like, hate. Okay, plus noun verb ing. I love cookies. I love eating cookies. There you go. I love eating. Oh, I love cookies. Chocolate cookies. Oh, they're my favorite. Okay. All right. Let's see. Now here, watch. Here, let me move to the side. Okay. Now here we have, okay, preference verbs plus ing. Like, love, enjoy, hate, don't like, don't mind, don't, can't stand. Okay. We're going to forget about don't mind, can't stand because we never went through that. All right. But we have it right here. Okay, so it says, I like painting. I love jumping. I enjoy pushing. I hate pushing. Okay, I don't like painting. Okay, remember, you like, or we love, or they enjoy. Remember, okay, so here, okay, we use the proper noun. Okay, you can use whichever you want. All right, so that's why we never put one over here, so because you can use it with all of them. Okay, I, okay, you, he, she, they, you, we. Okay, remember that comes right here in the front. Like, love, enjoy. Okay, hate, don't like. All right, well, now here, look at this one here. It's very cool, huh? It says here, I like plus verb ing, verb plus ing. I like swimming because I know you're doing sports with Hambrina. Okay, that's good. You're learning the vocabulary sports. Here, I love doing aerobics. I don't like. Let's move this up. I don't know where to put myself. Oh my goodness. I don't like playing football. And I hate skateboarding. I hope you don't, because everything is really good. Sports are always great. Now, what we're going to do is let me show you the worksheet, and it's very simple. Okay? Now, look. Like, love, hate, plus ing. Okay, fill in the gaps with the verbs in brackets. I like, we got go. What do we do? Go in. I like going out with friends. I love it. Yeah, we always have a great time. She doesn't like playing any sports. Okay, wherever. He hates cooking. I love cooking. Come on. She loves swimming. Swimming. That thing that has two. Sing. Bye bye, E. We gotta let go the E. Remember, my mother loves singing. Okay, singing. But right there, we only put ing. Singing. Okay. He hates dance. That's dancing. Oh, we're repeating the same thing here. Yeah. I like reading. Reading. Very good. Reading. Only one D. Okay. Even though it looks like it sounds like I put two D's. There's only one D. Reading. Okay. Like singing. Okay. It's just because I'm pronouncing so slow, it sounds like there's two consonants, but they're not. Okay. Okay. They love playing games, and he likes running. Oh yeah, I did pronounce it right there. Running. Okay, so just fill the gaps with those verbs and ing. Now here, write down a sentence. Okay, with each picture, use like, love, or hate. Hey, I love reading. I love reading, please. I like playing tennis. Here you can write down, I love. But you can put some hey, please. All right. So, okay, just fill in the with a sentence, a short sentence. Okay, write down a short sentence. Tell me what you like and what you hate. Okay. Well, this is very simple, guys. I hope you enjoy. I know we went through this lots of times. We went through the whole course, okay, with the ing because remember we had to get ready. We had to get ready for the mock exam, and we know how to use the verb plus ing. Okay. Well, guys, hope you enjoy. I hope you understand. If you have any problems or any doubts, all right, just write me down, and I will help you as soon as I can. Okay. Well, bye bye. Love you guys. See you next week, and have a nice weekend. Okay. See you later.